Today we're going to do pilau. Very nice, lovely pilau. So these are our ingredients, and then from there you can see soy sauce, salt, ginger powder, choosy mix, olive oil, dried spices, and then for tomatoes we have ginger, fresh, and garlic, and then we have dhania, coriander. It's already ready. Now we are going to add our spices.
Over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love.
Cover and let steam. So we let it steam. So this is our chicken. Here we fry the chicken nicely. We let it cook. And I add some coriander.
Ooh, can you feel me?
So we let it cook until it's really done before we put our rice. When you have kachumbari, you enjoy your pilau. So these are our onions. You cut onions, put some little vinegar and a little salt, and then you wash them. And we have already cut our tomatoes and mixed with the coriander, and then you mix your stuff. Add some sauce. So we already used vinegar in our onions. So when you put sauce, you end up with sweet and sour kachumbari. If you don't have tomato sauce or whatever sauce, you can always use sugar with vinegar if you want to have sweet and sour kachumbari. It's normally very nice, very nice with the pilau. Pilau is moving on so well. You can see, very nice pilau.
angel high above over me.
Pilau is ready. Really ready, not just ready, but really ready.
I escape heavenly. Far in the distance, I can see that you're sure. The gates of Eden, basking in Everglow. Oh, oh. How'd you ever get this holy? I think I need someone like you to show me. How'd you ever get this holy? I think I need someone like you.
And voila, food is served. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, and remember to share with your friends, and ask them also to like and share and subscribe for me, so that I can get these views I'm looking for, and I need you. Enjoy.